Well, I'm skipping school. Not really. But we're heading to the stand and we're going to take the Grim Reaper challenge. There's an old lady there.
So we're going to see if we can't take out a deer with the Grim Reaper. As the Grim Reaper. Hopefully the deer don't really realize he's up there. I don't think it'll matter. Yeah, rifle season coming up next week. They're rutting right now, so they shouldn't even be focused on us. Let's go see if we can't find her. I'm thinking it was a heart shot, but I'm not sure. At first I thought you missed, and then it looked really low, like almost like you just clipped the bottom of her, but the way she was pouring blood, you had to have hit something.
You think it happened what happened because I had a pee.
Alright, so the second you shot her, she went under here. You're gonna get caught up in the briars. Is there really? Oh yeah. Yeah. That'll be it. Probably did. I'd say it did. How much penetration? Oh, that's plenty. Bring it down here. Oh yeah, that's plenty of penetration. You only need about 6 inches to hit the heart. Alright, let's keep going up. Get out of this thicket. Oh no! There's a bunch of spray right here. It's like ripping in the water. Oh gosh. I'm next, I guess. I don't have a dress on. Oh yeah, she did. She ran right here. Let's go up right here and then we'll lead the path. What? That's a pretty decent sized doe. Let's see what entrance are. Oh yeah. Yeah, that was a good shot. That was more than likely a heart shot if I had to guess. I was like, good shot from that far. I used Grim Reapers last season. Both the deer I shot were down within 30 yards, but that thing hardly ran past 50 yards. I mean, it's not that far. That's why I use those broadheads. They definitely do a great job getting these deer down fast.